Thanks to CyberWarrior Academy, I've gone from not knowing anything about computers to landing a full-time position as a cyber analyst. My name is Dakota Roice, and I am a cybersecurity analyst for NAYS Corporation. I am a prior service veteran. I served 4 years in the United States Marine Corps. What attracted me to cybersecurity initially was the desire of being able to have a job where I can grow, just something where I can be in an industry and have a job where I'm secure and I make enough money where my child doesn't have to know what struggling looks like. Don't be afraid to take that leap into cybersecurity. It is an industry where they need individuals and they are willing to teach you from the ground up. So don't feel like you won't fit in or feel like you're not smart enough to take this course, because I came from nothing. I didn't know anything about computers, and now I have a full-time employed job.